Have you ever wished for a secret so powerful that it could change your destiny forever? Imagine knowing 3 simple words. Words full of energy that, when you repeat them silently to yourself, they could open the door to winning the lottery. But here's the condition. You must not tell anyone, because some secrets lose their power when shared. Now I will reveal those 3 words that can change your destiny. But if you just keep them close to your heart, in the Philippines, the dream of financial success is something we often keep close to our hearts. We pray, work hard, and hope that luck will come our way. For many, the lottery is more than just a game. It is a symbol of hope, an opportunity to change our story and provide for our families. But what if winning is not just about chance or numbers? What if there is a deeper energy at work? A hidden force that responds to intention and belief. For centuries, our culture has carefully whispered about the power of words, silence, and the concealment of sacred objects to preserve their magic. Today, you will learn about 3 special words that hold a silent power. Words that can open the door to your destiny. But only if you respect their mystery and keep them a secret to yourself. The power of words. Words are more than just sounds we utter or write on paper. In many Filipino traditions, words carry profound energy. What we say shapes not only how others perceive us but also the unfolding of our spirit and destiny. There is a saying that words have power, which means words that have power. This is not just a myth. It is wisdom passed down from generations that reminds us that the right words spoken with intention can bring change to our lives. Imagine when someone says heartfelt words of hope and support to you, you feel a surge of confidence and hope. When we are surrounded by negative words, our spirit can be weighed down and our perspective on life can be clouded. This invisible energy comes from our voices, thoughts, and even the silent statements we repeat in our minds. This energy is what can open or close doors, attract luck or drive it away. Today's challenge also shows how affirmations, positive statements that we repeat, help rewire our brains and focus our minds toward success. But the secret of the words I will share is more than just positive thinking. It resonates with a special frequency of energy that is deeply connected to the hidden flow of abundance in the universe. That is why it is important to approach it with respect and sincerity and not as a mere chant or superstition. In Filipino culture, there is also a strong value on keeping sacred things hidden. Sharing some prayers, rituals, or blessings of tomorrow can sometimes dilute their power like pouring water from a full cup. This belief is in line with many spiritual teachings around the world where silence preserves the power of sacred knowledge. So when you repeat these 3 words silently, with full intention and respect, you are not just talking. You are activating powerful energy within you and around you. This energy begins to align your mind, spirit, and actions with the possibility of true destiny. It is a call to the universe, a silent plea for luck, and blessings that can bring a lottery win. Remember, the power of words is not just in the pronunciation but in the true belief in their meaning. When you combine that belief with continuous practice, something special happens. Your life begins to change. Opportunities appear. Your mind expands to new possibilities and the energy around you begins to move in your favor. Introducing the 3 secret words. Now that you understand the amazing power of words, it's time to reveal the 3 secret words that have the potential to change your destiny. These are not ordinary words you hear every day. Introducing the 3 secret words. Now that you understand the amazing power of words, it's time to reveal the 3 secret words that have the potential to change your destiny. These are not ordinary words you hear every day. They carry an ancient energy, quietly revered in various cultures including here in the Philippines. Where silence and intention are part of our spiritual wisdom, the 3 words are luck, trust, win. Let's break down why these words are so powerful. Luck means fate. Chance that sometimes seems to have no pattern but is affected by visible forces. Trust means trust or faith. A deep belief in yourself and the universe's plan for you. Win means winning or success. The outcome you desire is the success you seek. Silently repeating these 3 words with focus and reverence invites the energy of luck, faith, and success into your life. But here is the most important rule. You must keep these words secret. The power is in the silence and secrecy. Sharing them with others can weaken the energy and reduce its impact. This is not just superstition. It is a sacred understanding that some things grow in silence like seeds underground, hidden from sight but growing toward the light. When you respect this secret, you protect the energy from the distractions and doubts that come from outside voices. Think of these words as a secret code between you and the universe. A private conversation where you ask for abundance without noise or interruption. Saying them softly in moments of calm allows your spirit to fully receive the message. Many who have practiced this ritual silently have reported a sense of transformation within themselves. Renewed hope, clearer focus, and sometimes small signs of luck begin to appear. This is the first step towards greater blessings, winning the lottery or receiving a long-awaited financial blessing. So when you say luck, trust, win, remember to do so with sincerity and intention. Let these words be your daily reminder that luck is possible, but only when you respect the quiet power they hold. How to use words effectively. Knowing the power of luck, trust, win is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you use these words with clear intention, and in a way that aligns your energy with your deepest desires. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you use them to their full potential. Step 1. Find your quiet moment. Choose a time of day when you can be alone and without distractions. This could be early in the morning when the world is still quiet, or at night before bed. When your mind is racing, the key is stillness, a peaceful place where you can focus inward. Step 2. Focus on taking a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold your breath for a moment and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your worries and obstacles melt away as you breathe. Step 3. Silently repeat the words with a calm heart and sincerity. Start repeating the 3 words softly. You can either mutter them softly or repeat them silently in your mind. The important thing is to say them slowly. Let each word sink into you. Good luck. Trust, win. Feel the meaning of each word as you repeat it. Connect to the luck, trust, and success you are inviting into your life. Step 4. Think of your blessing as you repeat the words. Imagine yourself holding a winning lottery ticket or receiving the expected money. Imagine the joy, comfort, and gratitude you will feel. Visualization helps to strengthen your intention and create a mental picture that your subconscious mind can work with. Step 5. Keep the secret sacred. Remember, do not share these words or this ritual with others. Keeping the secret protects its power. The energy of these words thrives in silence and personal belief. Consider this practice as your special connection to the universe. Step 6. Maintain faith and a positive outlook throughout the day. Carry a sense of hope and confidence as you go about your day. Avoid doubt or negative thoughts about your luck. Instead, gently remind yourself that good fortune is coming. This positive outlook keeps your energy aligned with success. Bonus tip. Write down your journey. Consider keeping a small notebook where you write down any feelings, thoughts, or small signs of luck that you notice. It could be a found coin, a sudden idea, or a gentle smile that crosses your mind. Tracking these moments helps you stay aware of the changing energies happening in your life. Using luck, trust, win in this intentional and respectful way is like planting seeds in fertile soil. With patience and care, those seeds can grow into the abundance you have long dreamed of. Common mistakes to avoid. While the power of the secret words luck, trust, win is powerful, there are common mistakes that can weaken their impact if not carefully avoided. Understanding these mistakes can help you protect your energy and keep your manifestation strong. Mistake 1 is sharing a secret with others. One of the most important rules is to keep the words to yourself. When you share the secret of tomorrow, the energy can be weakened or disrupted. Think of it like a whispered wish. When everyone hears it, its unique power is lost. Protect this sacred practice by respecting its silence. Mistake 2. Doubting the process. It is natural to feel doubt or anxiety, especially when results do not appear immediately. But doubt can block the flow of energy and create resistance. Remember that manifestation and luck often take time to gain momentum. Trust the process even if you do not see the results yet. Mistake 3. Negative thinking or impatience. Negative thoughts, fear, or desperation can create energy blocks. Instead of focusing on lack, try to shift your mind to abundance and possibility. Impatience can lead you to give up early or use words incorrectly, reducing their power. Mistake 4. Using words for bad intentions. The energy behind luck, confidence, Winning is for positive growth and blessing. Trying to manipulate or hurt, or otherwise use these words will only result in the opposite and damage your own energy field. Use them with kindness, respect, and good intentions. Misunderstanding. Disregarding small signs or opportunities sometimes. The universe responds in subtle ways before big success arrives. Ignoring or appreciating small signs of luck like finding a coin, receiving unexpected help, or sudden ideas can cut you off from the positive flow. Stay open and grateful for every blessing. By avoiding these common mistakes, you ensure that the energy of the secret words remains strong, alive, and aligned with your true desires. The path to winning the lottery or manifesting financial abundance is not just about chance. It is about respecting the process and your own power. Real signs that words work. When you begin to repeat the secret words luck, trust, and win with sincere intention, you may wonder how you will know if the energy is truly moving in your favor. While winning the lottery is a powerful goal, the manifestation process often begins with subtle signs. Gentle reminders from the universe that your practice is working. Sign 1. A calm and hopeful heart. One of the first changes you may notice is a growing sense of peace within you. Instead of anxiety or desperation about money, you feel calmer and more hopeful. This quiet confidence is a sign that your mind is now attuned to positive energy. It opens the door to abundance. Sign 2. Unexpected small blessings. Before a big win comes, small blessings often appear unexpectedly. This could be seeing coins on the ground, receiving an unplanned gift, or receiving help at times you least expect. These small moments show that luck is starting to flow towards you. Sign 3. New opportunities and ideas. You may notice new opportunities opening up. It could be a job offer, a connection that will help, or an idea that could bring in income. These opportunities are the universe's way of guiding you towards your goal. Sign 4. Increased confidence and clarity. Repeating words of faith can boost your self-confidence. You may feel more confident in making decisions, and your financial goals will be clearer. This mental clarity helps you take the right steps towards success. Sign 5. Signs in your environment. Sometimes the universe sends symbolic signals such as the frequent appearance of the number 7. Listen to a lucky saying or notice symbols of luck around you. Pay attention to these subtle messages as confirmation that your energy is moving. Remember, these signs can appear gradually and vary from person to person. The important thing is to remain open, grateful, and listen carefully. Each small sign is a thread in the fabric of your growing destiny. By recognizing and honoring these subtle changes, you build momentum towards your bigger dreams, including the life-changing lottery win. Connection to Filipino culture. To truly understand the power behind the secret words luck, trust, win, it is important to see how it is deeply connected to Filipino values and spiritual beliefs. The Filipino heart beats with a rich tradition of faith, family, and belief in destiny. Fate and destiny are luck or destiny. In the Philippines, many families strictly follow rituals and customs that have been passed down from generations. They believe in the visible forces that shape our lives. Whether it is lighting a candle in honor of the ancestor at the Ponso, hill spirits, whispering prayers to the Anito, ancestral spirits, or performing prayers, Filipinos understand that destiny is more than just luck. It is a sacred dance between effort, faith, and spiritual energy. The words luck, trust, win perfectly reflect this spirit. Luck recognizes the mysterious luck that can come at any time. Trust reflects the deep trust we place in ourselves and in God. And win represents the victory we seek not only in games of chance but in the many battles of life. The concealment of these words is in line with the Filipino respect for sacred knowledge. Just as the elders hide healing rituals and prayers to preserve their efficacy, so too must these words be kept silent in the heart to preserve their energetic power. This practice is a beautiful blend of tradition and modern manifestation, a way for Filipinos to honor their cultural roots while embracing new ways to invite abundance. It reminds us that luck is never completely random. It is part of a larger spiritual design that responds when we approach it with respect and sincerity. So when you repeat luck, trust, win, you are not just saying words. You are joining a line of hope, faith, and resilience that make up the Filipino spirit. You are drawing energy from the collective strength of a people who believe that no matter how difficult the trials, destiny and success are possible. Final reflection and encouragement. As you hold tightly to these 3 words, luck, trust, win. Remember that winning the lottery is more than just luck or chance. It is about aligning your energy, beliefs, and actions towards a life of abundance. These words are the keys to unlocking that affirmation. But their power comes from your sincerity and perseverance. The greatest blessings in life often come quietly, like the gentle arrival of dawn after a long night. So do not rush or demand immediate results. Trust that each whispered repetition of these words plants seeds that will grow in due time. The universe listens carefully to those who speak with faith and guard their sacred intentions. You deserve to receive abundance not because of luck alone, but because you have the strength to believe in it. You have the strength to trust in yourself and the silent power that flows from within you. Each day you choose to repeat luck, trust, win, you prove your willingness to receive blessings. Let this ritual be a reminder that you hold a special connection to destiny. A connection that honors both tradition and the modern desire for growth and change. You are not alone on this journey. Many Filipinos are with you in hope, dreams, and faith. So start now. Find your quiet moment, take a deep breath and gently speak your words. Notice the small signs. Celebrate every blessing and keep your heart open. Your financial success may be closer than you think. Remember, your luck is not just a chance. It is a choice. A choice to believe, trust, and win. Call to action. Now that you know the secret words luck, trust, win, it is time to take action. Silently repeat these words now with full belief and intention. Let this be your private prayer for luck and success. If you are ready to keep this secret and honor its power, comment below with I believe. This simple step is your first step towards inviting abundance. Remember, magic is stronger when the secret remains sacred. Share only with those closest to you if necessary, but protect the silent power within. Your journey towards winning the lottery and receiving true fortune begins now.